Alright everyone, we're out here in the kayak today. I know I just dropped a buzzbait video. I don't know exactly when this video is going to come out, but kind of want to show you the areas that I'm targeting as I'm out here about 6 a.m. now. Been out here for about an hour. And I've had 3 strikes with two already in the kayak. And I just kind of want to show you, hopefully the camera could catch it, but what I'm targeting and how I'm working this buzzbait through these areas. So let's switch the camera roll, and then hopefully the camera picks it up. It's very vague, but basically, as if you can see in this water, it did rain yesterday, so this water is higher than it normally is. But like around these tree stumps and these grass patches, the bass will sit like right next to these grass patches or right across these weed lines. And basically you're throwing the buzzbait there, kind of working it. I like to just kind of try to get a little hung up in it and then rip it out. That's where today I'm getting most of my strikes. When I rip it out of the grass patch, when I rip it right across wood or bang it against the wood like this area, is where I'm getting most of my bites. Just kind of want to give you a little rundown there. Rod, reel, line selection, and the kind of buzz baits that I use is all in the other video, but we got a couple fish here that we can show you guys. And yeah, let's keep fishing. Everyone, here we go. Fish number 2 on the day.